This past year, we reinvented YCC. YCC is a relatively large organization with significant turnover, and this leads to several challenges. Maintaining institutional memory, ensuring that all of its members are accountable, and that everyone can be involved in a productive way. The previous structure of YCC did not properly support its operations, so this past year we restructured the organization and designed new work methodologies. In numbers, the core membership of YCC has increased from around 35 students to well over 70. And in terms of projects, YCC has gone from managing less than 10 simultaneously to over 40 at any given moment.
The council is now comprised of 35 elected and associate representatives.
We started our restructuring by abolishing YCC's committee system. Instead of having a committee of 5 to 10 people work on the same project, each YCC representative is a project manager at every given moment. This has allowed each representative to become a leader within the council, take ownership over an issue, and also be held accountable for results.
A project is generally a policy initiative or an attempt to offer a new service to Yale students. Each representative researches the issue and develops recommendations with input from students and other YCC members.
Every week, project managers present their findings with recommendations to the executive board, and the following day to the entire council. This year, an initiative can only pass after a council vote. This has formalized the process in a really positive way and has empowered the representatives.
Board members meet with administrators on a daily basis to discuss projects. Implementation can take anywhere from several weeks to several years, depending on the complexity of the issue.
To support the increase in the number of projects and to ensure that YCC is properly focused on policy and service issues, new executive board positions were created. Each focuses solely on academics, student life, or university services.
In the past, YCC's events committee was comprised of elected representatives. This year, we decided to recruit other students to the committee through an application process. This has allowed YCC to increase its focus on policy issues while ensuring that students working on events are fully dedicated to those projects.
This year we worked to fully integrate the Undergraduate Organizations Committee into the YCC. To increase transparency and oversight, the Council of Representatives now approves all funding recommendations made by the EOC, and we in turn work with the Council to improve the services provided to student groups.
A major change is that for the first time we created designated teams to enhance YCC operations. We set up a production and design team of 15 photographers, graphic designers, and video producers. Together we work to effectively promote YCC initiatives and events to the entire Yale community.
We also recruited a group of programmers who now work throughout the year on a variety of apps to improve student life. And we established a designated business team that works with local businesses to secure discounts for students and increase YCC funds by coordinating sponsorships for various initiatives and events.
We also created new platforms to empower student voice. We created a process to hold campus-wide referendums and established special focus groups, such as one on athletics, which include non-YCC members, to address a wider variety of issues in a more profound way.
We now have systems in place that improve communication between all members and, most importantly, guarantee institutional memory.
In January, YCC ratified a new constitution to ensure that these changes last. YCC is now stronger, more efficient, and has the ability to better represent the student body.